Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've done this video a few times already, and every time I keep forgetting stuff. So hope this is the one. So today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark Page. Okay, it's this great tool to use, and it'll make submitting your assignments easier, and it'll also make my grading life a little easier. And it's like just a really cool way to make your photos look good in like a little web page. So first thing you need to do is go into self-service and install Adobe Spark Page. So we scroll down a little bit, it's these red ones, it's the left red one. It says Adobe Spark Page. So I already have it installed, so I don't have to worry about that. One thing I would like you to do is to make sure in Lightroom you have your album set up. So I have Rule of Thirds. This is the test album that I'm going to use. Cool thing about Spark Page is we can get photos straight from Lightroom into Spark Page. So this test in Adobe Lightroom will make more sense in just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go out. I'm going to open Spark Page. And what it's going to look like is it'll look, it won't really look like this. You'll have to log in with your school email address and password. So the same thing used for every other Adobe product we've used so far. You have to log in with, your email address and password. I use it all the time. If you guys, for each week's assignment for all my classes, I just really like it. It's just clean and crisp, and it just looks nice. So to start a new project, it's this little bottom blue plus sign. So I'm going to click that, and then it'll start a blank web page, which is cool. For your title today, I would like you to put your first and last name. And the subtitle for now can be photography. Perfect. So this little plus button is for the background photo for your front page. You can click on the free images. So all of these are options that you can use to add images. So if you have a photo on your iPad you want to use, if you want to take a picture, this find free images is pretty cool. You can type in any word and then something will pop up, which is pretty sweet. I'm just gonna pick this one. Okay, it takes a second to load. There it is. All right, there's my front page. Pretty nice looking so far. All right, then to add photos for your assignments, what you need to do is hit photo grid, right? It's gonna go back to the photo. See the tree on the side, so it thinks I'm still searching for a tree. It will just hit the blue arrows over. Then in Lightroom, if you hit Lightroom, these are all the albums I have in Lightroom. So see that test album? If we click that, the 5 photographs I had in test show up right here. So if I just click all 5 of those photos, here they are. And if I wanted to get one bigger, you hit the little box, the 2 arrows in it. That'll make them bigger or smaller, right? So if I want some bigger, if I want some smaller, right? You can make them all big, or you can make them all small. Let's make one more bigger. Yeah, no, that looks weird. I don't like that. That looks better. Okay, so there's that. Then we hit the done up in the top right-hand corner, and then it'll put it right underneath my title page. So then I would title these the name of the project, right? This is just a test, so I'm just going to add the word test. Then to put your contact sheet, you could add it above or below. So you see these little plus buttons in a circle. That's where you can add the next thing, right? If you keep scrolling, it'll just do it for you, or you can just click the little button. All right, so I'm going to add a photo for the contact sheet, right? So remember, this wants to pretend I'm still in Lightroom, right? So I'm going to go on my iPad for the contact sheet, and it's a screenshot, so I'll go to my screenshots. Here is my screenshot of my test album. It's just those 5 photographs, which is not enough, right? You need at least 20 for your projects. And then I will call it contact sheet. There you go. And if you want to say contact sheet for whatever it might be, you can do that too. Cool thing about Adobe Spark is there's like endless possibilities. So if you want to move this around, right, you can move it up, right? Let's say, oh, I like it better on top, so you can do that. If you want to write me a little note, there's a little text button down here. Then you can say, hi, Mr. G, you're cool. Use proper grammar. That's not proper grammar. You could tell me like what you liked about the assignment or project, or what photos you think are better than other photos and why. We'll use these later in the year to like describe stuff. There's also like split layout and glide show, which we can, if you want to play with now, you can, or if you want to, we can use that later in the year. That's totally fine with me. There's videos. You can upload. So there's just so many cool things that you can use this for. And then how you get it onto the assignment is if this little box with the arrow up button, it'll say you want to create a public link, right? So you don't have to worry about anything else but the create a public link. So if you click that button, it'll take a second to load. And then once it's loaded, you'll have a link here, and that'll be a link to your Spark page. It says right underneath, the link has been copied to your clipboard. So all you need to do now is, let's say you can go anywhere. So I'll just go to Safari quick, and then I will click up here, and if I hit paste and enter, that Spark page I just made will show up right away. So if you go to the assignment and click text and just copy the Spark page into the text, it'll be an easy way for me to see your Spark page. I hope that makes sense to you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You can ask in WebEx, or email me is a great way to do it. So I hope you find this as fun as I do. I think it's just a great way to make nice looking photographs in a cohesive, easy looking web page. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you all soon, and take care of yourselves. Okay, bye.